How's it going, Geometry Cats? Today we are looking at 10-4 perimeters and areas of similar figures. Now it may be surprising for you to know this, but this actually comes up on the ACT once in a while. Okay? Put it in your noggins. Go. Put in one, keep it in there. Well, anyway. Let's take a look at this. Three big things. If you have a scale factor to go from one figure to the other, and it's A over B, and the ratio of their perimeters is A over B, and the ratio of their areas is A squared over B squared. Okay? Think about this. Perimeters just measured in inches. Areas measured in square inches. And that's why you do the square dealio. Okay? Two similar polygons have corresponding sides of a ratio of 5 to 7. What's the ratio of their perimeters? Okay, so you have a polygon and a polygon. If this side's 7, this side be 5. Hence the 5 to 7 ratio. Well, now perimeter is the same as the ratio of the sides. Okay, so if it's 5 to 7, the ratio of perimeters is 5 to 7. Okay. But now for the areas, you have to square the areas, okay? So my ratio would be 5 squared to 7 squared, or 25 to 49. Okay? That's all there is to it. Easy? You guys can teach me this lesson. Okay, the scale factor for two parallelograms is 3/4. The area of the larger is 96. What's the area of the smaller? Okay, so we have two parallelograms. Way to draw a parallelogram, Mr. Willier. We have two parallelograms. Big guy, little guy. The larger one's area is 96 inches squared. This one we don't know. Okay? We have a 3 to 4 ratio. Scale factor, 3/4. Okay? So now, what's our area scale factor going to be? Well, it's going to be 3 squared over 4 squared, which is 9 over 16, right? Okay. So this is my little parallelogram or my big parallelogram, right? So I set this equal to my area of the little guy over the area of my big guy, and then I solve, cross multiply. So I get 16a area equals 9 times 96, which if I use my handy dandy calculator, that's 864. Divide by 16, you get area equals 54 inches squared. Okay? Pretty easy, right? Okay, here we go. So now you have two pieces of window glass with a 3 to 5 ratio. The smaller one costs $2.50. How much should the larger cost? Well, this is A, by the way. We have a 3 over 5 ratio, right? The smaller piece, so this is my smaller, so I'm going to put that on top, it's 2.5. We're looking for the larger. Again, guys, this is ratios. I have my larger on the bottom, smaller on the top. Cross multiply, 3x equals 5 times 2.5 is 12.5. So x is going to be, divide both sides by 3. That one should be about $4.17. Okay? In problem 3, why is it important that each dimension? I have no idea because that problem's not on here, so we're going to skip that part. This one, you have two rectangles. Rectangle, this guy, and rectangle, little guy. and they're similar. Okay. I know the ratio of my areas are this, right? And that equals my a squared over b squared. So how do I get my a and my b? Well, I have to square root both numbers. You have to square root the top number, and you have to square root the bottom number. Okay? So let's do that. That'll give us our a over b. Square root of 1875 over square root 135. Did these break down nicely? Let me think about it. Let's simplify these guys, see if they can. 1875. Well, I know I can take a 5 out. And that's 375, right? And this guy, I know I can take a 5 out, right? And this guy, I know I can take a 5 out. That's 25. And this guy, I know I can take some 5s out. 5, 5, 5. These 5s make it out alive. This guy's left in there, right? You get 10 root 5. 10 root 5. 25 root 5. Okay, I gotta check it just for Mr. Twilliger, that's a 3. Guys, remind me to remake this video someday. These guys, so still 25 root 3. Okay, let's check that one out. Yes, okay. root 3 all over 135, which let's break that one down just for fun. 5, 27, 3, 9, 3, and 3. 3's make it out alive, don't they? Right? So you get 3 root 5. Oh, you want to get really fancy? 3 root 5 times root 3, right? These cancel. 25 over 3 root 5. I really overcomplicated this one. I'll probably make one that's your one. Enjoy!